Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to make this super cute bow that'll look beautiful on all your holiday packages. Here's what you'll need. A wrapped gift, grosgrain ribbon, and scissors. So we're going to start by measuring our grosgrain ribbon, and what I did for this was I actually wrapped it around the width of the package about 3.5 times to give us the right length. But now what we're going to do is find the middle of that so that we can wrap it. So when you find the end, we actually fold the ribbon back against itself and make a little arrow. And then place it down on the gift. Take the ribbon around the back of the gift. Pull it through to the other side. And then take these loose ends and pull them right into that arrow you made earlier. And you can pull it tight. It's fine that it's over to the side because we'll actually slide it when it's all done. Now we're going to tie a knot as tight as we can. And then we'll tie our bow. And it'll just take a second to center it and fix the ribbons. So we tie that knot to hold it in place. We make our bow. Just a sweet little bow. And now we'll slide it to the middle. And snip off the ends. Tighten it up a little bit. And there you have it. An adorable bow, perfect for the top of any of your holiday gifts. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to our YouTube channel. From all of us at American Greetings, happy holidays and happy wrapping.